Have you ever wondered how those smooth and eye-catching AI outfit change transitions are created? They look incredibly professional, but the truth is that the process is surprisingly simple. In today's video, I'll show you how to create these viral AI outfit change transitions using only Edimakor. Alright, let's jump right into it. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Step 1. Create a virtual try-on image. First, launch Edimakor. On the startup panel, you'll see the new AI Ads feature. Click to enter it. Next, go to Ads Image, Virtual Try-On. Upload the clothing image you prepared in advance and set the aspect ratio. Now it's time to choose the character who will wear the outfit. You can either select a character from Edimakor's built-in character library or generate one using AI. For this tutorial, I'll choose the real model style. After that, customize the character's basic information to match the style of the outfit. You can describe your own ideas here, or simply use the character prompt I've provided in the description below. Once everything is ready, adjust the aspect ratio and click Generate. Then go to My Character, select the character you just created, and click Generate again. As you can see, the resulting virtual try-on image looks highly realistic and professional. Step 2. Enhance the virtual try-on image. Now, return to the Edimakor startup panel and click New Project. Go to AI Image, Image Generator, then select Reference Image Mode. For this tutorial, I'll use the GPT Image 2 model to further enhance the image quality. Upload the virtual try-on image generated in the previous step. Next, copy the image enhancement prompt from the description and paste it into the prompt box. Set the resolution and aspect ratio, then click Generate. After a short wait, you'll get a more polished and visually appealing version of your virtual try-on image. Step 3. Generate AI transition. Now go to AI Video, AI Transition. Select First Last Frame mode. For this tutorial, I'll use the Kling 3 model to generate the transition effect. Upload the original character image as the first frame and the virtual try-on image as the last frame. Then paste the AI transition prompt from the description into the prompt box. Adjust the duration and mode settings, then click Generate. Let's take a look at the result. It looks incredibly smooth and natural. To create additional outfit transition clips, simply repeat the same workflow with different outfits. Faster method. Use a template. If you want to create AI outfit change transitions even faster, Edimakor offers a template. Simply go to AI Video Templates, search for the Low Energy Outfit template, and click Create. Then customize the prompt according to your needs and click Generate. Edimakor will automatically produce a stylish outfit transition video with minimal effort. With just a few simple steps, you can create viral AI outfit change transition videos. Give it a try and see the results for yourself. And that's everything for today's tutorial. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.